Nope, nope. I'm done. I'm sorry, brother. I gotta go. Dude, I got to go. I got to go. I gotta go to bed. Seriously, I gotta go to bed. I'll talk to you tomorrow. We'll play. I'll play. I'll play around 12 tomorrow, the same time. Okay, bro. I don't know what to tell you. I gotta go to bed. All right, brother. Good night. I'll talk to you later, bro. Night. Whoa. Hey, guys. We are opening this. Hopefully, it is not damaged because the mail guy sucks ass. This. Let's get this music going. Let's get some. Let's get some beautiful tunes going for the game of Jeffro. Box opening. Box opening. And we got the series S. We are going to be opening up here, guys, tonight. Let's get this music going. This sexy music here. Let's get some sexy music going. You know this. I hope Jeff's Xbox is broken. Wow. Let's open this baby. This bad boy. I know, Terrence. You're in hype. Oh, hype mode, guys. Well, you guys are pretty mean. Wow. Hope Bella comes. So this is a pretty nice box, actually. Let's see it. Let's open it up. Oh wow. Ooh, Xbox has really done a really good job at um at displaying. I like this. Look at that. That's pretty fancy, and it's pretty nicely boxed. So even when it was dropped or what happened to it, it was also in another box as well. Um, this was pretty. This is pretty set up, pretty nice. I like. We're gonna get to the little stuff in a minute here. I like the Power Your Dreams thing, and I'm not an Xbox guy, just so you guys are aware. But this is pretty nice here. So let's just get this off here. Nice, pretty nice. I'm so hyped. I'm gonna hook it up tonight and start downloading Destiny, because Destiny 2 tomorrow night, guys. Beyond Light with EY. So hopefully you guys like that. So here we go, guys. You got a USB in the front. It looks like it's the sync controller button here, and you got your power button, which is pretty awesome. I like the fan too. I know everybody says it looks like a speaker, but it's kind of cool because it looks like a speaker. You know what I mean, Jalebi? It kind of fits like the entertainment center. I mean, it looks like the X. Dude, this is smaller than the Xbox Series S. This is the smallest Xbox. This is great for traveling. Super light, and also too very small. So very good for traveling. There's your Ethernet, two USBs in the back, HDMI out, the storage expansion, and the power. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. I'm just gonna dance here for a second. Compare them. Well, give me a minute. I'll compare them. Let me unplug this Series S really quick, guys, and I'll compare them for you. Because I want to unplug the Series S anyways. So, but just give me a minute. Give me a minute. I'll be right back. Okay. Got the Series S here. Okay. Look at the size difference, guys. Like, I can't really do too much of a comparison, but I mean, look at that. Look at that. So, like, this is like flush against the actual console here. Okay. Series S is on top of the 1S. Look at the size. So it's smaller. It's good for traveling. That's why this is the reason why I got this system. So a lot of people are asking me the reason why I got the Series S. This was one of the reasons why I got it, was for the travel. So, alright, let's get to the little items. Let's see what they give you here. So they got the controller. You got to sync your controller, and you got to sync your um, the app. They give you instructions. Shut up, comedy, you young man. Oh, Terrence. Hi, Bella. So then here's your cables. You got the HDMI cable here. I'm guessing it's going to be a fast speed cable, so um, probably 2.1. I would think. They don't have it on there, but. And then there's your power cable. And then I'm really interested to see how this controller, because I got a new Xbox One controller as well, my guys. Does the controller still take batteries? Yes, they do. Ooh. So it feels the same. Ooh, but I like the feel. Like the grip is a little bit tougher. Like, so I got them both here. They're the same size. There's the share buttons in the middle instead. So like right there. Wow, turtle. So everything else looks the same pretty much, but the grip is a little bit, you can grip a little bit better. So yeah, you can fit it in a backpack for sure, Nike. You can fit it in a backpack for sure. Yeah, for sure. No, if you want a small console, you don't want the PS5 or the Series X, I definitely recommend this. This is a really nice console. It is. Oops, sorry, that was my fault. Jeffro being professional. It is digital only. So just so you guys are aware of that, it is digital only. So if you want a digital only system, this does run at 1440. So this does not go full 4K. I don't really care about that, but if people who do care about that, make sure you're aware that it is 1440. It's not full 4K. So if you do care about that, if you don't care about that, and you want a cheap system for $300, because you're on a budget or something, I strongly recommend this system. To be honest with you. I'm going to strongly recommend this system for you guys. There we go. Got the controller on, my guys, and as soon as I hook it up, we'll play it tomorrow night, and you guys can see the quality of the system. That's about it, guys, for this gamer Jeffro box opening. Box opening. So you can actually put it up. There's pegs here, or you can put it down. Either way. Either way you want to do it. My guy. Do it, comedy. Do it. That's so cool. I can take my Xbox and my A. Wow. No comedy. Whoa. What is that controller that comes with it? It's an Xbox controller. What are you talking about? Whoa. You didn't see the controller? It's blinking now because I pressed the damn button. So, but there's the controller there. It feels and it looks just the same as the regular, but it has the share button now. You see, oh, whoops, sorry, the camera. The share button is right there, and the D-pad is different shaped, as you see it there. It looks kind of like one of these. Looks kind of like. So it looks pretty cool, and it handles very nicely. Like, I gotta play with it tomorrow night. I want to play with the controller, so I can kind of give you a little bit of a review while I'm playing it. But it grips pretty nicely. I actually like Xbox One's controllers, to be honest with you. I think Xbox gotten better. Like I wasn't a big Xbox fan through the regular Xbox 360 until Xbox One. Then that's when I invested into Xbox. I said, the Game Pass seems like a great deal, so I want to go ahead and get it. I got the digital version because I wanted a smaller system to take with me on the go. I would take my PS4 and my Xbox and my Switch and not really worry about anything else. Because I don't really need to worry about the quality of the video on I don't need to worry about a 4K. So yeah, basically it is a Elite controller. When is PS5 coming? PS5, we're gonna do a box opening for the PS5 in a week. So next Thursday. Um, it depends on when it arrives. It's scheduled to arrive Wednesday. So if that's the case, then maybe Wednesday night of next week we'll do it. Like tonight. If it doesn't come and it comes a little later, then maybe Thursday night. But we'll definitely shoot to see if we can do Wednesday of next week like we did tonight. So, alright guys, with that said, thank you guys so much for joining the Gamer Jeffro box opening live stream. Sorry guys, we've been playing MK11 for a little bit. The live streams got kind of wonky because I had to do some work. So, but hopefully you guys enjoyed the Gamer Jeffro box opening at least. It is going to be edited as well and put up. So, whenever Rap's getting his, he is not getting a Series X or S. He is only going to get a PS5 from at least what he is telling me. So, he is actually fighting. That's why he's not on tonight. He is actually fighting to find a PS5 currently. So, that is what he's at least telling me. So, it is a very small console. It is. It's very small. So, alright, guys. I gotta get to bed. Thank you guys so much for joining the Gamer Jeffro stream. I want to hook it up. We're gonna test it out tomorrow. Gamer Jeffro is out. Till next time. Thank you, Cat. You're a legend. Turtle, you're a legend. Nike, you're a legend. Everyone that is here is a legend. Comedy, you're a yawn legend. Comedy. Yeah, Raps is done with Xbox. Also, too, everybody who is a Prime member, a Gamer Jeffro Prime member, and joined the Gamer Jeffro box opening live, gets 1,500 Jeffro Gold. What? So thank you guys so much for participating in it. I just was hyped about it tonight. Work got in the way, like I said. Work got in the way, kind of deflated it, but then we got back up the hype level. Can't wait to try it out tomorrow night, guys. Destiny 2, Beyond Light. Can't wait, guys. See you tomorrow night, guys. Gamer Jeffro is out. Till next time. See ya. Poop bad noobs. Box opening.